Hey, what are you guys doing here? Hey, Victor, for Christmas we decided to get you something special, so I hope you like it.
Oh, Kermit, just let him open it already.
Yeah, waka waka. The Razer BlackWidow Elite mechanical gaming keyboard? No way! Hi friends, welcome to Victor's Reality. In today's video, I'll be unboxing and previewing the Razer BlackWidow Elite mechanical gaming keyboard with the green switches. Also, I have some O-rings here, the soft kind and the firm kind, to see if it makes a difference. And remember, this is a clicky keyboard, so once you go click, you can't go back. Let's begin. Alright, so this Razer keyboard has the green switches. I prefer the green switches over the orange and yellow just because the yellow I just didn't like, there was no click, and then the orange ones, even though it has some kind of tactile and silent feedback, I just wanted that click. You know, I've had a membrane keyboard from Logitech for a while, so I wanted to step up to the clicky sounds, and it sounds really cool. This wrist rest here has magnets in here and right here, so when you put it closer, it attaches itself. You could feel the pull, and you can put it up, you know, higher or lower a bit. You're pushing it, and if you're not on a hard surface or a stable surface, it'll slide down a bit, but it looks good. The cushioning is really good. I still prefer a little bit more it looks cushiony, but it's really like on the like in the middle, right here, it's really cushiony, but in the middle, it's like less cushioning. So just a little bit more cushioning would have been better. I think they're using some kind of memory foam, and it feels good, but a tad more would have been better. So again, these are green switches. The LED is up here, right on top. You can see on the camera. Right here is the LED. This is the green switch. The inside of the key. So you can hear it. Now when you press it, you get the click, but then there's still space to push the key. So that's what the O-rings should help fix. I got the soft one and the firm one just to see the difference. So we got here the Enhance brand soft O-rings. So we have the soft ones and the firm ones just to try and see, what the difference is. I got them because I didn't want to, take a chance to see if maybe the clicks were a little too loud. But from what I'm hearing, doesn't bother whatsoever. It sounds good. And I think I'm gonna, that's gonna be cool to check it out and see the difference between these guys. As you can see right here, it has a keycap remover. These are clear O-rings just because so the LEDs can, go through it easily. It diffuses it a bit. I was reading online, so we'll test that out with and without. It also has here a cleaner and the pouch. So I got this for $12.99 on Amazon.com. I heard these were the best ones, or one of the best ones, so we'll see that. We'll see if that's true. All right, so look. Let's see here. So here's the cleaning tool, keycap remover. The O-rings, remember this is the soft one. Cleaning, and here, yeah, choking hazard, VIP, the mod kit, and stop in the name of love. Do not return this product to the retailer. This product comes with a limited warranty. Yeah, we know that. Okay, good. 3-year warranty. And the firm one is going to be the same way. Everything's the same. So we'll try that now. Okay, now on the pressure or on the sensitivity of the key itself, I don't know which one I prefer yet. We all know that now that I would say 75%, 80%, and 100% loudness. So it does bring it down a bit. If you're with some friends, family, your dog, whatever, maybe those noises would bother them. So anything that helps. And it feels the same. It feels just like the key. It doesn't take away anything that I'm feeling. It's just, a little bit more quiet. I don't really feel that softness or the firmness. I mean, I could feel a tad, but nothing that it affects the keyboard. So if you get the soft one, it's okay. If you get the firm one, it's okay. It's all going to become, it's all going to come down to your preference. And so far, I'm preferring the firm one. Because the firm one feels like the hard click of the regular. The soft one kind of softens the blow, I guess. And it's a little bit membrane-ish, but it's not membrane, of course, right? But if you want the click, I'd say go with the firm, because if you want click. But if you want soft click, go with the soft. If that makes any sense. So soft click, soft, click with the firm. And if you want 100% loudness and just normal, stick with the normal. Just as good. But I'm happy I got the O-rings. Probably gonna use the firm ones. So it all depends on your preference on the soft and firm. I like the firmer right now, but I might like the soft later. So I'm gonna try them both for a while, maybe like for a week. Go, try one on soft, one on firm. and then see. You can't really make a decision after you just try them, for 5 seconds, right? You got a game on it and see which one you prefer. But $12.99, you can't lose too much. You don't lose too much money. So that's why I bought both, to try them out and see which one I prefer. So you could do the same. This is a sound test, so you can hear the difference between the O-rings and without. Now the ones over here are without, just normally how it comes. Over here is the soft. These 4 keys are with the soft, and the keypad right here, the number keypad, is with the firm. So here we go. It also has here a headphone jack and a USB port. So you can connect your mouse and you can connect your headphones. And you just have to make sure that all these things are connected to your desktop if you're going to use these. So this BlackWidow Elite is on a slant. So the wrist rest and the keyboard are aligned together. So when you're playing and typing away, your wrist right here is sitting right on the wrist rest. There's no L shape to poke at you right here. And a lot of reviewers online are stating that the Huntsman Elite, even though it's an awesome keyboard, has this problem where it either damages their watches, damages their, hurts their skin. So that's one of the main reasons why I was looking into this keyboard, since it's slanted flush together. And again, it's all because there's magnets here and right here. So it goes, see, perfect. Now, of course, I'm gonna have to probably, it has some rubber here, but I'm probably going to put some more rubber just to make sure it's even more secure, because as you can see, it moves a little bit. But I have a white table, it's cleared, so I'm probably just gonna put some, maybe a rubber grip or something, or maybe if I had this on the Goliath or something, it'll fix that. If you need more information on this keyboard, the best place to go is to Razer.com. They have everything and all the info you need regarding this keyboard if you're considering a purchase. One of the main features, and I think the best feature of the keyboard, are the media buttons. It comes in really handy, super easy to use. You just click on it, press it, pause it, it works. So this is the Razer Synapse software. Really simple to use. I just hooked up the keyboard, turned on the computer, automatically it started downloading the drivers and the software. I hit restart, everything works. It's the fastest thing I've ever seen with a product, that you just hook it up, it downloads, and it works. So that's really good about this Razer keyboard that I got. I'm so happy with the results so far. All I did was hook it up, put on the software, clicked on my keyboard, hit lighting, brightness 100%, fire, done. And you guys just saw the lighting effects. So this is the setting I'm going to leave it on, the fireplace setting. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe for more.